Today, we got some exciting and maybe slightly disappointing news about Samsung's upcoming One UI 7.0 update. If you've been eagerly waiting for this new beta update to hit your Galaxy phone, you might have to hold on just a bit longer. Let's dive into the details. So, what's the latest buzz? According to a reliable source on X, formerly known as Twitter, via at Universities, there are currently no plans to launch the One UI 7.0 beta in the near future. The exact words were, there are still no plans to launch it in the near future. Unfortunately, this vague statement leaves us with no specific dates or timeframes, so we're left to speculate a bit about what near future really means. Now, let's rewind a bit. Just last week, we reported that the One UI 7.0 beta might go live in the third week of August. This gave many of us hope that we'd be seeing the new features and improvements sooner rather than later. However, it appears that things have changed since then. Whether this delay is due to unforeseen technical challenges or a strategic decision by Samsung, we're not entirely sure. So why the delay? Our sources suggest that Samsung may have shifted its focus to rolling out the One UI 6.11 update to more devices first. One UI 6.11 debuted with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 at the Unpacked event in July. Despite being an X1.1 update, it's expected to bring significant improvements and new features to a wider range of devices. This One UI 6.11 update isn't just for the latest foldable phones. Samsung is planning to roll it out to older Galaxy foldable phones, Galaxy tablets, and even a few high-end slab-type phones. This means that if you own one of Samsung's flagship devices from the past few years, you might be in for a treat with this update. So what can we expect from One UI 6.11? While it's not as major as a full version update, it's still packing some exciting features. One of the highlights is the introduction of new Galaxy AI capabilities. These AI features are designed to enhance the user experience, making your device smarter and more intuitive. Although we aren't on the full list of features just yet, it's safe to say that Samsung is aiming to make your Galaxy device more efficient and user-friendly. While One UI 6.11 is exciting, many of us are still eagerly awaiting the One UI 7.0 update. This update promises to be a significant one, with changes to many UI elements, new animations, and potentially even more advanced Galaxy AI capabilities. These improvements are expected to make the user interface smoother, more responsive, and more visually appealing. When the One UI 7.0 beta does finally go live, it's expected to be released in limited markets and for select devices. This means that not everyone will get to try it out right away. However, this phased approach allows Samsung to gather feedback and make One UI 7.0. It's an exciting time to be a Galaxy user. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder about the upcoming Samsung Developer Conference. This event often brings exciting announcements and insights into Samsung's future plans. Plus, we'll be hosting some amazing giveaways, including Samsung products, so be sure to check the links in the description for more details. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.